Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to disable multiple desktops on Windows 10 and make your Task View button disappear easily. Step 1. Press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. This is a quick way to access different system tools, and it's the first step to making changes in your Windows settings. Step 2. Type regedit into the Run box and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. This tool allows you to modify Windows settings that aren't available in the regular menus, so it's important to be careful here. Step 3. Navigate to the following path, Video Descriptions. This location contains advanced settings for Windows Explorer, where we can control the Task View button. Step 4. Right-click on the right pane, select New, DWORD, 32-bit, value, and name it ShowTaskViewButton. Then, double-click ShowTaskViewButton, set its value to 0, and click OK. Restart your computer to apply the changes, and you'll see that the Multiple Desktops option is now disabled. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.